There we go. That's one. There we go. SCANIA E400. 15526. It's Stagecoach West. That I think that bit. I think that's VX09 NBK. Oh boy, what will do? I've seen on the X4 particularly. That's his link. It's recently transferred to Kettering. That might be NBK. Yeah, I think it's the 2009 SCANIA E400. I think last time I had a Stagecoach SCANIA N230UD in Corby, I think it was covering for the MMCs, the Commonwealth Games that happened in Birmingham.